In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the hardwood floors in the dining room. One thing that I want to point out is that the planks of the hardwood floor should run parallel to the longest side of the room, and I'll show you how to do that. In your project browser under Floor Plans, select First Floor. Select Floor. And select Tile 12-inch square. Select Edit Type. Select Duplicate. And enter Wood Flooring, Oak. Select OK. Select Edit. Select Tile. And select this material browser icon. Select Tile Porcelain 12-inch, right mouse button, and select Duplicate. Select the copy and rename it Wood Flooring Oak. Select it. Select the Appearance tab. Select your asset browser. Search for honey oak. Select this icon to load it into your library. And notice when you do, the appearance of the material changed. Close this window, and you'll see now that Wood Flooring Oak now looks like this. Select Identity and change the description to Wood Flooring Oak. Go to Graphics. Check Use Rendered Appearance. Select the surface pattern. Select this pattern, the 12-inch tile. Verify in that pattern type Model is on. And then scroll down and select this pattern, Wood Board, and select OK. Select Appearance. Select the image. Scroll down to the scale. Notice that the image is scaled to 2 foot 2 inch by 2 foot 2 inch. I'm going to leave this dimension the same, but I want to change this. These boards are very narrow and I want to make them longer. Generally they're as long as 6 foot, these planks. Notice these planks are very short. So I'm going to change the width to 6 feet, but if I were to change it, it would change both because this link icon is highlighted. So turn that icon off so the width and the height are no longer linked, and change this dimension to 6 foot 0 inches. Select Done. Now you've gone to a lot of trouble to create a new material called Wood Flooring Oak, and you don't want to have to do it over and over again every time you start a new project. So I'm going to save it to my library. Start out by going down here to the lower left of your window and select this icon and create a new library. I already have my own library, but I'll go ahead and show you how to create a new one. Select Create New Library. Navigate to your Documents folder, and there create a new library and call it just by your name. Put your name here. Select Save. And I notice that you have a library here called Your Name, and it's displayed here below your project library. It may not be on. You could toggle it on and off here. So turn it on. Now I'm going to go to my wood oak flooring, and if I right mouse button, I could add to your library, your name, and you notice it appears here now. If I had my library open and I wanted to move one of my favorite materials up to my project, I could highlight this icon, add material to document, and it'll move my material up to my project. So I'm going to use this library to store all my favorite materials. So when I start a new project, I could just open it up and move my favorite materials up to my new project. Select OK. Change the thickness of the material to 1/2 inch. Select OK and OK. In the View control bar, select Consistent Colors. Select the Rectangle tool. Select this corner. And that corner. Select the Line tool. Choose your Split tool and split this line here. Use your Trim to Corner tool and trim this line here and this line here. In the Properties menu, set your height offset from level to 1/2 inch and finish your sketch. In the View control bar, set the style to Realistic, and you can see the orientation of the plank are running in the same direction as the longest wall in the room. When I was drawing the outline for this floor, I started in this corner and moved along this wall to the right, and that will determine the orientation, the run of your planks.